Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Hikmah. I'm a teacher professional education student from Universitas Negeri Semarang. I'm currently doing a practicum teaching at MA Nurul Huda Sungaluar as a part of my final assessment process called UKIN. I will be teaching lesson today as a part of my development professional a future teacher. My name 259802819 and 5. Check it out. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, thank you, class.
Yes.
Are you ready for studying today?
Yes.
Okay. Before we start, let's take a moment to pray to God. Desma, please lead the prayer.
Okay, please, let's the prayer begin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi sholli sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min
Desmaria,
Present.
Fatima,
Present.
Hafizatul Askia,
Present.
Humaira, Indah Putri,
Present.
Mardiatul Jannah,
Present.
Marfuah,
Present.
Maulana,
Present.
Muhammad Zaini,
Present.
Nabil Ansori,
Present.
Nur Askia,
Present.
Siti Sri Mulyana,
Present.
Sofiana, Zelfi Nur, Zulfa. Okay. Read everyone in here and look ready for study today. Wow. Before we start, let's sing a song together. Our national song, namely Garuda
Pancasila.
to make us more love our country and okay, stand up please. Let's sing a song together.
Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju,
to know the classroom rule. Jadi berdasarkan kesepakatan kita, there are some rules in our class. The first, be on time. And the second, have a good attitude to be polite and listen if someone talking. Jadi jika someone talking about the topic, you have to listen carefully and focus. And next, be active, participate in learning process, and the last, be ready to learn, tidy up and keep clean. Jadi tolong jaga kebersihan selama proses pembelajaran. And I have a video that's so viral in Asia, especially Asia. It happened in Malaysia. That's right. It happened in Malaysia. Okay, let's watch it together. And I hope you can give response based on the video.
Zara Koirina atas dugaan pembulian hingga pelecehan seksual viral di negaranya yaitu Malaysia bahkan hingga Thailand. Mengutip Tribun News pada 21 Agustus, Menteri Dalam Negeri Malaysia Datuk Seri Saifuddin Nasution Ismail buka suara dalam keterangan resminya di Dewan Rakyat Selasa 20 Agustus 2025. Perlu diketahui Zara Koirina Mahathir 13 tahun adalah siswi Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Agama Tun Datu Mustafa di Papar, Sabah, Malaysia. Kasusnya sempat menggemparkan publik Malaysia selesai ditemukan dalam kondisi tak sadarkan diri di dekat saluran pembuangan atau selokan di asrama sekolahnya pada 16 Juli lalu. Namun setelah dirawat intensif di rumah sakit di kota Kinabalu, Zara Koirina dinyatakan meninggal dunia akibat cedera otak parah dan sejumlah patah tulang. Lantas kematian Zara memicu gelombang kesedihan dan seruan keadilan. Tidak hanya dari masyarakat Malaysia, namun juga luar negeri seperti Thailand. Gelombang tagar at Justice for Zara telah ada di akun media sosial sejak Kamis 24 Juli 2025. Sehingga terkini Datuk Seri Saifuddin Nasution Ismail menyampaikan bahwa fokus penyelidikan kasus Zara Koirina adalah intimidasi, pengabaian, dan pelecehan seksual. Lantaran Saifuddin menambahkan bahwa terdapat unsur pengabaian dari sekolah terkait keluhan Zara kala itu. Lantaran Zara pernah mengajukan keluhan resmi, namun disebut tak mendapatkan penanganan memadai dari sekolahnya. Jurnal Tribun News.
I hope you can give a response. How did you feel when you saw the video? Please raise your hand. Okay, Zaini. Zaini, stand up please.
I felt very sad and angry when I watched the video. No one deserves to be treated like that, especially by their own classmates. Zara looked scared and helpless. It made me think, what if it happened to me or my friend?
Okay, thank you Zaini. Kita buat Zaini. Masya Allah, good statement Zaini. And the next question, in your opinion, what will you do if you see the bullying in around of us? Wanna give response? Please raise your hand. Okay, Nabil, stand up please.
I think people who see bullying should have immediately reported to a teacher or adult. Staying silent means letting the bullying continue. We must be brave enough to stand up for others.
Okay, thank you, Nabil. That's right, we must be brave and smart choice. Jadi kita harus berani ya, berani dan mengambil keputusan yang benar. We must protect each other to make safety environment. Jadi kita harus saling melindungi dan menciptakan lingkungan yang safety, aman. Okay, are you ready to make ice breaking before we come to main lesson? Mau ice breaking lagi? Yeah! All of you come in. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump right. Oke, faster. Ini lebih cepat ya. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. Oke, faster. Faster. One more time. Jump in. Jump out. Jump left. Jump left. And we go to the main topic today about asking and giving opinion. Before we learn about the expression of asking and giving opinion, we have to know what is the goal to learn about it. Tentu kita harus tahu ngapain sih kita belajar asking and giving opinion. The first is peserta didik dapat mengenali ungkapan untuk meminta dan memberi pendapat. So, and after you learn about it, you can know the expression asking and giving opinion. And next, peserta didik dapat menggunakan ungkapan tersebut dalam percakapan sederhana. And you can use the expression asking and giving opinion in your daily conversation or daily life. And the last, siswa dapat menyampaikan pendapat dengan percaya diri. If you know about how to say something or give your opinion, or you want to ask the other opinion, you can use the expression that we have learned today. Okay? Asking and giving opinion. Asking opinion, meminta opini atau pendapat. You can use what do you think about? Apa yang kamu pikirkan tentang? What do you think about? For example, what do you think about the bullying? And how do you feel about? Bagaimana sih perasaan kamu? How do you feel about saying bullying? Bagaimana sih perasaan kamu nengok bullying? It's just example. And what your opinion about? Bagaimana pendapatmu tentang misalnya about bullying? And how to giving opinion? You can say I think menurut saya, or in my opinion menurut pendapat saya, or from my point of view menurut pandangan saya. And the response for asking and giving opinion. We have learned about agreeing and disagreeing last week, right? Jadi kalau kita kan minggu lalu udah belajar nih agreeing and disagreeing. If you're agreeing with an opinion, you can say of course, tentu. It is absolutely right, itu benar. I agree with this opinion. Saya setuju dengan pendapat ini. And I agree with what you are saying. Saya setuju dengan apa yang kamu bilang. And for disagreeing, kalau kalian tidak setuju, you can say I'm sorry. Have fun and positive vibe. Let's do ice breaking. Are you ready to do ice breaking? Yes. Clap one. Yes. Clap two. Boom. Boom. Clap three. Good. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap one. Yes. Two. Boom. Clap three. Good. and Rina. Alia, hi. What do you think about the new school uniform? Rina, I think it's okay, but I prefer the old one. It was more comfortable. Alia, really? I like the new design. It looks more modern. Rina, that's true. The color is nice too, but the material feels a bit hard. Jadi bahannya sedikit panas ya. Alia, yeah, I agree. Maybe they should use better fabric next time. Rina, good idea. And you can see there are many color in my example. And for blue color, it's so asking opinion. What do you think? Itu kan meminta pendapat. Gimana sih menurut kamu baju baru kita, gitu kan? And yellow color for giving opinion. I think it's okay. Itu bagus. And for purple color, it's so agreeing with a opinion. Jadi menyatakan setuju. Yeah, I agree with you. Saya setuju dengan pendapat kamu. Have you understood? Yes. Okay. And the next, we go to the video about simple conversation, asking and giving opinion. Wait a minute. Watch it together.
Irma.
Berta, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. What do you think about my new hair?
I think you look so cute and pretty with this hair.
Thank you. What are you doing here?
I'm thinking about my brother's birthday in a few days. I don't know what gift to give him. Do you have any ideas?
How about you give a gift related to his hobby? By the way, what's his hobby?
Her hobby is playing volleyball. What do you think I should do?
I think you should give him volleyball shoes for gifts.
Wow, great idea. May I ask you to accompany me to buy that shoes?
Let me accompany you to buy it.
Thank you very much, Berta.
Any question? Ada pertanyaan buat asking and giving opinion? No? You get the point? Yes. Okay. Now I want you to make a simple conversation about asking and giving opinion with your seatmate. I will give you 10 until 50 minutes to write the conversation. Jadi kalian buat conversationnya berkelompok dengan teman your seatmate, dengan teman sebangku. Okay, look the paper. Jadi write the conversation over here. And after that, you have to perform it in front of the class. And for the next paper, this is your individual task. Jadi yang kedua itu adalah task atau latihan individu. And for the first task is for group. You and your seatmate. Okay? With right time, I will give you 10 until 50 minutes. Okay? Okay, ma'am. And don't forget to use expression asking and giving opinion. Ingat ya, harus ada ekspresi atau kata-kata dari asking and giving opinion. Okay. Okay, that is over. Wanna be the first performer? Okay, Delfinur. And Desma. wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will show simple conversation with the topic about movie. So, for your attention, please.
What do you think about the movie we watched last night?
I think it was really exciting, especially the ending. I didn't expect that plot twist at all.
Really? I thought it bit confusing. I thought the story lived in the middle.
Yeah, it was a bit complex, but I think that's what made it interesting.
Maybe I just prefer movies with super plot.
That's fair. We all have different tastes. I guess I enjoy stories that make me think.
Sure, I did like the acting top. The main actor was amazing.
Totally agree. His performance was so natural. He really brought the character to life. Thanks for your attention.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Delphine and Desma. How do you feel about your classmates' performance? Wanna give a response, please? Okay, Humaira.
Please. I learned how to ask for and give opinions politely in English, and now I feel more confident expressing my ideas.
Okay, thank you, Humaira. Masya Allah, good job, Humaira. And who next? Siapa lagi mau tampil selanjutnya? Next. Oke. Jana and Asia. Oke, Jana and Asia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will show our conversation. Do you like the new menu in the school canteen? In my opinion, the food tastes better than before. Yeah, I agree. I especially like the new chicken curry. Somehow I hope I have tasted and the menu.
Okay, thank you, Jana and Asia. Give applause. So, your classmates' performance. Wanna give feedback? Okay, Jana. Stand up, please.
Their conversation is simple but effective. They give their opinion politely and agree with each other in a friendly way.
Okay, good job, Jana. Give applause for Jana. And for the last performance, Kevin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will show simple conversation. What's your opinion about our group project presentation?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will show simple conversation. What's your opinion about our group project presentation?
I think we did great. Everyone spoke clearly and confidently.
I agree. But maybe next time we will make the I agree, but maybe next time we should manage the time better.
That's true. We went a bit over time.
Thanks your attention. Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
Good job, class performers. Wanna give reflection based on the your statement performance? Please raise your hand. Okay, Humaira.
Nabil and Safi gave useful opinions and feedback. I like how they stay positive while also pointing out what can be improved.
Okay, good job, Humaira. Give applause for Humaira. After studying about asking and giving opinion, how do you feel today? Fine and happy. Do you feel you can express and or use the expression asking and giving opinion? Bisa ya nanti kalian ekspresikan asking and giving opinion in your daily life, but in English. Bisa? Can you?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Good job for all. Okay, to make our class be relaxed and have fun, do you wanna do ice breaking? Yes. Okay, put your pen on the table. Okay, put your pen on the table. Sudah? If I say clip, you have to. If I say boom, you have to. If I say pen, you have to take your pen. Okay? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. Boom. Pen. Master. Pen. Okay. Clap. Boom. Pen. Boom. Pen. Okay, focus, relax, and have fun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap. Boom. Pen. Clap. Pen. Boom. Clap. Pen. Faster. Clap. Boom. Pen. Okay, thank you for all. After we learn about asking and giving opinion, who wanna give conclusion about our lesson today? Kesimpulan, please raise your hand. Okay, Zelfie. Stand up, please.
After learning about asking and giving opinion, I have gained a better understanding of how to express my thoughts clearly and respectfully in English. I have learned various useful experiences that can be used to ask for and give opinions in both formal and informal situations. This lesson also helped me improve my speaking and listening skills, especially in discussion and conversation. More importantly, I realized that expressing opinions is not just about speaking, but also about listening and respecting other people's views.
Okay, Masya Allah. Good statement, Zelfinur. Good job. Next, wanna give conclusion about asking and giving opinion? Please raise your hand. No one? Okay, Humaira.
I learned how to ask for and give opinions politely in English. English. And now I feel more confident expressing my ideas.
Okay, good job all. Alhamdulillah, we have finished our lesson today. Before we go to before we go out to the class, we take a moment to pray together. Okay? Okay, Desma, please lead the prayer.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi israli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidna ilman warzuqna fahman wa amalan salihan mutaqabbalan bi rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin.
Okay, thank you, Desma. And for the next meeting, we will learn about offering help or offering something. Jadi, next week kita akan belajar offering help, menawarkan pertolongan, or offering something, menawarkan sesuatu. For example, can I help you? Do you need to help? Okay? And I hope you can learn in your home. Okay? Okay, because time is over. See you next class and have a good day.